Hey guys, happy Bonfire night. So, I've just got home from Nana's and trust me, I am exhausted because I've had like over 20 fireworks, which is a lot. And I had this really big one at the end, popcorn, exploder, and my mum and my Nana were like, I'll pee my pants if popcorn flies out of it. So, yeah. If you are on TikTok and you did search on my TikTok, you may notice that I've changed my avatar because it's been like the old picture for ages. I didn't realise I had to change it, but yeah, so. And follow me Instagram, Kai Frosty 2014 with 1Y. For my Snapchat that's Kai Frosty with double Y in 2014. Alright. And follow my Roblox at Coaxel Samp and KClanKai222. So, yeah, just wanted to give you a big shout out. Happy Bonfire night, everyone. See ya.